Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into iCloud on your Mac using the Apple ID that will own Messages. Next, open Messages and choose Preferences to start the activation process. You need a verification path. If you do not have an iPhone, use a second Mac or a reachable phone number for the verification code. Once you request a code, watch the receiving device or phone for the 6-digit number, then enter it on your Mac to proceed with linking. Once signed in, you will be prompted for the 6-digit verification code. Type it immediately, because it expires quickly. After verification, go to Settings to choose which addresses and numbers can send or receive messages. Make sure Start New Conversations from is set to your preferred address. This controls who sees your sender ID. If you need SMS relay, enable text message forwarding on the device that received the code, or use another Mac signed into the same Apple ID. Finish by sending a test iMessage to verify both sending and receiving work. Try a conversation with another iMessage user. If messages fail, quit Messages, then reopen it. Sometimes a restart completes activation. If that does not help, sign out of iMessage and sign back in to force revalidation. One key troubleshooting tip: verify your Apple ID device list and 2-factor trusted numbers. If the verification code never arrives, remove and re-add the trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.